Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to publish a Roblox game. Start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the experience you want to publish. If you are starting fresh, choose any template and wait for it to open. Once your project is loaded, go to the top left and click on File. Then select Save to Roblox. Choose Create New Experience. A window will appear where you can type the game title, write a short description, and choose who owns the game. Make sure the devices you want to support are selected. When you are done, click Save. The game is now saved to your Roblox account, but it is not yet available for others to play. To publish it, click File again and select Publish to Roblox. Once it finishes publishing, go to the Home tab and click Game Settings. A new window will open. On the left side, click Permissions. Under the Playability section, change the setting to public if you want everyone to access your game. If you only want friends to play, choose Friends. Click Save. Your game is now live. That is all you need to publish a game in Roblox. Thanks for watching.